In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spell check on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to run a spelling and grammar review in a Google Docs file stored in your Drive, so you can catch typos, fix phrasing, and polish your writing with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your files. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid icon, the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the panel of Google services. If you don't see it right away, maximize your window or make sure you're logged in, and it should appear. From the Apps panel, choose Drive. This takes you to your Google Drive where all your files are organized. Find the document you want to check and open it in Google Docs. If your file opens in a preview, click the option to open it with Google Docs. If it's a different format, Docs may prompt you to convert it. Once it's open as a Google Doc, you're ready to run the check. With your document open, look to the top menu bar and click Tools. This is where Google Docs keeps many of its review and editing features. In the Tools menu, hover over Spelling and Grammar. You'll see options related to the checker, and this is where we'll start the review. Click Spelling and Grammar Check. Docs will begin scanning your document and highlight potential issues. You'll see suggestions presented one at a time, usually in a panel or small dialogue. And the corresponding text in your document will be highlighted so you know exactly what's being flagged. As each suggestion appears, choose to accept it if it improves your text, or ignore it if it's a proper name, an acronym, or wording you intentionally used. Take a moment to read each suggestion carefully. Automatic tools are helpful, but your judgment matters most. If you accept a change and then change your mind, use Undo to revert it. Work through the suggestions until the checker says you're all set. When you're done, give your document a quick read-through to make sure everything flows naturally. If you make more edits later, you can return to Tools, Spelling, and Grammar and run the check again at any time. That's it. You've successfully run a spelling and grammar check in Google Docs through Google Drive, helping you deliver clean, professional writing with just a few clicks.